Hello my dear children, welcome back once again. Now we will see the sounds children. See, we will see this sound b, b sound. So what does b say? Before that we will see first the a, e, i, o, u sound children, which is a vowel. So b is a consonant. First we will see this a sound. See children, a. So what is a? A says a. Apple, apple. Apple. So these are the words which are pronounced. We need to see the A sound. A sound. A means a sound. Apple. A says a. See children. Which picture is it? So of a hat. Hat. See, hat. Hat. A sound is coming, right? So we need to see and think over that letter. Cat. A sound. Sack. See, again CK is there because both mean same sound. Now here. Tack. A sound. Bag. See. Pan. Dad. Man. Jam. Lap. A sound is coming. See. Gas. Cab. Again we will see these sounds. See children, we are seeing the vowel, first vowel A, the letter A, which says a. Apple. 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 Again see children, apple. Apple. Okay, now see hat. Cat. So a sound. Just think over the letter A and its sound. Hat. Cat. Sack. Now. Tack. Pan. Man. Bag. Dad. Jam. Cab. Gas. Lap. Now, these are the sounds of A. Thank you children. Thank you for giving your precious time and watching the video. Please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed.